Welcome to TechnoGo. Apple just launched their new iPad Pro, which is meant to replace your computer with a portable device. In this video we'll take a look at some of the features of Apple's new product. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. The new iPad Pro models are available to order right now, March 18th, from Apple's website. They will appear in stores starting on Monday, 23rd March, and I assume orders will start shipping at the same time. They are available online for either $799 or $949 for 128GB Wi-Fi configurations, depending on the size. Both the 11-inch and 12.9-inch sizes look identical to last year's models, but there's a new processor and new camera system inside them both. The keyboard unfolds and elevates the iPad to a more comfortable viewing position. It also has a trackpad on it. Apple says, rather than copying the experience from macOS, trackpad support has been completely reimagined for iPad. As users move their finger across the trackpad, the pointer elegantly transforms to highlight user interface elements. The dual camera system on the new iPad Pro is very similar to the one on the newest iPhone 11. The main camera is joined by an ultra-wide camera, but there's also a new LiDAR sensor on the right. Powering all of this is a new A12Z Bionic chipset, an upgrade over the A12X Bionic chip used in the previous generation. The new chip now has an 8-core graphics processing unit and better thermal design, which Apple says makes it 2.6 times faster than the 2017 iPad Pro. Visually, at least from the front, the new iPad Pro looks the same with the uniform, slim bezel around the screen. It remains the only tablet in Apple's iPad lineup with Face ID, no home button, and a magnetic dock for the second-generation Apple Pencil on the edge.